जी तो व्यूअर्स, हाँ तो कैसी चल रही है जिंदगी गाइस। मैं हूँ हिट स्ट्राइकर और आपका इस्तकबाल करता हूँ अपने लेटेस्ट ब्लॉग में। और यार ये वीडियो बहुत बहुत ज्यादा फन होने वाली है, इसमें कुछ नया ट्राई करने जा रहे हैं। तो यार ये हमारा अपना एक नई चीज करने जा रहे हैं। तो यार आप लोगों को हमें बस चाहिए सपोर्ट, आपके लाइक्स। तो यार इस वीडियो को हम लोग टारगेट रख रहे हैं पूरे के पूरे 500 लाइक्स। तो यार जरूर करवा देना। हम हमें वही मतलब यकीन है आप करवा दो 500 लाइक्स। तो यार जरूर करवा देना 500 लाइक्स।
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी।
और यार इसमें हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं अपने सर के साथ चैलेंज। सॉरी, हाँ इसमें हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं अपने सर के साथ एक इंटरव्यू। और यार इंटरव्यू बहुत बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा होने वाला है। चैलेंज बोल बोल के मेरे को चैलेंज बोलने की आदत हो गई है।
गजब बेइज्जती है।
सॉरी। तो आपसे मिलते हैं इंटरव्यू के अंदर।
So hello viewers, and today as a teacher I'm going to ask some interesting questions from my students Jotham. These questions are going to be completely surprise for him. He doesn't know anything. To be honest, he doesn't know anything about these questions. These questions are going to be like thrown at him just surprisingly. So my first question, I just want to ask some of the things before we go for the questions. We did some time, we spent some time before COVID was started. Then we all went into like isolation was there. So before COVID, I found that Jotham was quite like lazy chap. He's sitting like this. He's sitting at the same place.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
But as soon as the COVID, he went for like quarantine or something like that. There was lockdown, there was isolation. But when I found him, he was quite active. I don't know. People were becoming lazy during COVID, but he was getting more active. So tell me something. What you did to be active during COVID?
Nothing.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
I actually did some exercise during COVID.
Oh, I don't think so. You did that. You really did that?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Then it's very good. So, how do you find schooling now when the schools are open? Education has started again. What difference do you find any difference in schooling now? After we go to the school after this COVID or before COVID, there is some big difference. There might be some difference.
Yeah.
Because as a teacher, I feel there are a lot of differences.
Yes.
So, what difference did you find?
Obviously, the schools were shorter, which I actually loved very much.
मस्त जोक मारा रे। ये हंस रे हलकट हंस।
So you loved it.
The schools were shorter, and we are
Shorter in a sense what? With the timing or with the quantity of the student or what? The classes? Both. So he likes both. He doesn't like to go school every day.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
And he likes to have less student in the class. Okay.
As well as the timing of the school was also very short. Was shortened, as well as only the schools were only open 3 days a week.
So 3 days a week. Actually, the students right now. Actually, it's not that Jotham who is speaking. This could be the opinion of many kids, right? So there could be many kids thinking the same way. So they don't like to go to school every day. They like the short timings of the school. And one more question: did you find any difference in teaching method or educational quality or something like that? That teachers are not teaching well as they were teaching before. Either they are teaching better now than before.
नहीं।
Actually, I found very great teachers in this class.
Okay.
And they teach very greatly, and as well as the online classes were also very good.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग करता है तू
No, I just want the comparison before COVID or after COVID. Which time was better?
It is actually similar.
It's her choice.
It is similar. So,
Quality
point
of
to be
teaching.
noted that quality of teaching is the same. Like, suppose we can teach the same lesson within 3 days a week, and we can, if we call the student like 5 to 6 days at school, and we still do the same work. So means that teachers are doing the best. You mean to say that?
Yeah.
Ah, that's great. We teachers are there. So I want to ask some of the general question, which are the question about the students. Like most of the time, parents and teachers, they are complaining about their kids that they spend a lot of their time on video games. So I want to know both the aspects, like good and bad both. What is good? What do you learn from gaming? Because I'm not a gaming person. So you are a gaming boy, as I know. So what are the good things you learn from the gaming? And there must be some slackness as well.
Yeah.
So share both the aspects.
As you know that I have a gaming channel, so just go and subscribe it right now. As well as I would say
So can you please tell your channel name as well?
Head Striker OP.
Very good.
Okay,
Now,
so
go on.
excess of everything is bad.
Okay.
So actually, if you play game for 10 hours or 12 hours or 15 hours a day, that's actually pretty bad.
So what are its side effects? Can you please even tell what did you find, that what are the side effects?
Some of the very well-known side effects of playing games or anything in excessive is actually you can get addicted to it, and leaving it would be a very very hard thing for you.
So means like when there is a time to detach yourself from something, that then
Yeah.
it's not possible for a child to detach him or herself from the gaming.
For anyone,
Yeah, even for anyone.
like
you
many
are
people even get addicted to Facebook as well. Very much.
maybe some of the people, maybe not me.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस
So actually he's pinching me now. So okay, so gaming, in addition to this, gaming could harm even our eyesight.
No sir.
नहीं
Even our some of the kids, like even science says that every heart, every human function, every bodily function, every physical person's function is different. Like my capacities would be different, yours would be different, and there are cases in medical science which I have also found in class. The students' eyes are getting affected by using screen for longer hours and
Yes.
hours. So now, Jotham, I want to know the aspect. What have you learned from gaming?
Actually, my eyesight have got a bit better.
Bit better.
Yeah.
Okay. Point to be noted. Bit better.
Actually, tracking things as well as my focus also got a bit better.
So your focus is gone bit better, and your eyesight, like focusing things and all that.
Yeah.
And in addition to this, what I have noticed in Jotham, that his motive, like if he's studying for a particular person, like if he's studying for a particular topic, he will stick to his topic, and meanwhile he will gather there are like side knowledge about those things, which I have found in him, that after playing gaming he is focused to what he is doing, and with that he's gathering more knowledge, like side knowledge, we say like that, we could say the journal knowledge is there.
Yeah.
So that even I found in him during the COVID, he could work out on that, and it's because of gaming, I guess. Because of gaming also, because in gaming I've seen you guys, if you are focused at your like shooting something, and with that you at the same time you need to protect yourself also.
Yeah.
So during the game is like that.
Yeah.
So any other good thing that you have learned from gaming?
Yeah. Actually, teamwork.
Teamwork. How?
So
Because I don't know about that.
So because in gaming, in multiplayer games, we play with teams and
Partners.
Yeah,
like
and we have to
partners.
actually play we have to coordinate with them properly so we can actually win the match.
Okay, so you learn to coordinate, you learn to work as partners, as
Yeah.
team, and you learn to be focused. So there are multiple good things, no? There are
Yeah.
multiple good
But everything
reasons.
have its negative aspects, and everything excessive use of anything is kind of bad.
So if we leave this element of excessiveness, so but the rest, the things are positive, right?
Yeah.
Rest
But
of the things
every
are
individual have a different mindset.
yeah, that even, because I've seen kids, they are getting aggressive during gaming. Like, because
Yeah.
since I found that they are losing, they even lose their mental temperament.
Yes, some video games which have longer matches
Okay.
actually have this problem. But
Because I've-
actually playing shorter
Okay.
matches are okay.
Okay, fine. Because I've seen there are kids who are getting like those things are getting onto their mind, like
Yeah.
they are overwhelming, and sometimes they get so aggressive they can't even control themselves, and they've gone to some such excessive extent that they are like committing suicide as well. They are killing to their like even saying bad things to their
Yeah.
partners if they are playing games online. They are saying such
Sir,
worse things to each other, as you know better than me.
Sir, actually, this is not the problem of a video game. It's actually the problem of the individual who is playing the game, because
Yeah.
his mind is not made about that, and he's just playing the game under peer pressure, or just
But
wants
somehow,
to be a part of pop
but
culture.
somehow I feel the graphics are made so well that the person can easily get into it.
Sir, actually, the most popular game right now are not realistic and are
Okay.
mainly cartoonish games.
They are, of course they are. But somehow, like we could say there are very particular person who does all these such things, no? So not everyone.
Yeah.
But as such, the gamings are very good. They are good for your mental exercises and all.
Yeah.
So now let's turn our conversation
Yeah.
to another side.
Yes, sir.
Because you've been at home, and I've seen you to be and becoming very foodie. So what do you so would you like to say something on that? Because I found you're very foodie.
Yeah, I am.
He is very foodie. Well, in fact, people around you, all of us, even me, we are very foodie, right?
Yeah.
So, like, how do you see kids after COVID? Like when they came back to school, like I've seen like kids coming back to school, they gain so much of weight.
So actually, in my class, all of the my classmates are actually new. So I have no idea about my
Okay.
previous classmates.
Okay, so to be honest, when I came back to school and when I went back there and I saw kids, the uniforms even couldn't fit them, and I
Sir,
have
this happened to my
one.
brother.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. That happened to Elijah as well.
Music.
Before COVID, when I was teaching him, he was not the same as he is now.
Yeah.
He gained weight. He has gained a lot of weight. So, which is to some extent, the health is boosted up.
Yeah. Sir, I want to justify myself that I have grown a bit taller in this COVID.
So that is also a plus point in the with the health point of view, that he's grown a bit taller because you've been taking proper food, you've been taking proper rest and
Exercise as well. I have been exercising.
Can you please tell which exercise you've been
Sir,
doing?
it is actually balanced. You know how much I consume, I actually uses it powers and then consume it again, and then this is a cycle. I am not able to escape this cycle, sir.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग करता है तू
Okay, very good. So now let's again turn our conversation to another side, because
Yeah.
there are multiple questions I've prepared for you, and on that I want you to talk
Yeah.
with me. So so shall we turn into some general knowledge or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to tell our viewers any 3 to 5 wonders of the world, not 7.
Okay.
First one,
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
okay, Leaning Tower.
Okay. Then we have what do you say? Pyramids.
Pyramids are there of Egypt, right?
Pyramids of Egypt.
Okay.
As well as Taj Mahal in India.
Okay, Taj Mahal of India.
3. And then we have the Hanging Gardens of Babylon.
Hanging Garden of Babylon. Next.
Great Wall of China.
Great Wall of China. So,
I'm not a dumb kid.
नहीं
I know that. So these are 5. But if you know any others, so we can include.
Actually, my brain just leaked out.
Okay, so let me put you another great question. So, are you ready for it? So, can you please tell us what was the first civilization? About the first civilization, because as you studied that man is a civil being, no? We are social animal. We are civilized people at the moment. So, when was the first civilization started?
Sir, according to many historians,
Because this I have also taught you in your history course, and you have studied and you have given me test also about
so,
it.
according to many historians, Egypt is considered a very old civilization,
Okay.
and Indus Valley civilization could also be the oldest.
Yeah, Indus Valley civilization. Actually, that's the perfect answer I wanted.
Once more! Once more! Once more!
So you have seen that Jotham has done very well in this
I'm not a
video.
dumb kid.
नहीं
He is not. He is actually a very brilliant kid.
नहीं
So, wish you a good luck for your future as well, and I might see you again in any other video at any other time. Until then, thank you very much. Good luck. Take care.
Yeah, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया